So you've got a problem with your roof. Well, what do? Well, in the past, you only had two options. You could repair it or you could replace it. Well, we're here today to introduce you to an exciting new option called rejuvenation. So what is rejuvenation? Well, it's a new product called Roof Maxx. Rejuvenation means to revive something. So what happens to your roof over time? Well, just imagine there's never a good day for your roof, right? It's hot, it's cold, it's raining, it's sunny, it's snowing. So every time your shingles expand and contract. And every time that happens, it takes just a little bit of that flexibility away, okay? So when we rejuvenate your shingle, actually what we're doing is we're adding that flexibility back into that shingle. That flexibility allows those granules to stay in place on your shingle. Well, so those granules, well, they just make my shingle look pretty. Well, actually, they serve a purpose. They protect the asphalt in your shingle from the sunlight. When that flexibility goes away, they start ejecting those granules. And eventually enough of them go away that there's, patches of asphalt showing on your shingle itself. And then eventually they'll crack, very similar to a pothole in an asphalt road. So when we come in and rejuvenate it, we make it flexible again, and it's going to extend the life of your roof. So how do you know if your roof is eligible for Roof Maxx? Well, it starts with an inspection. So if you suspect that your roof is getting old and you're starting to see some signs, well, we'll come out and we'll inspect it. And if it needs repairs, we'll talk about that with you. If it's eligible for replacement, we'll talk about that with you as well. But this video is really to emphasize the rejuvenation component. If your roof is old, if it's starting to show some age, but it's not really ready for replacement, and you've done some repairs, but there's still some issues, perhaps Roof Maxx is the answer. So we'll come out and inspect it, and in good faith, we will tell you one way or the other. We'll guide you. We don't know until we get on the roof if your shingle is eligible for it or not. So it's kind of in that, call it 7 to 15 year range. Age of your roof is really where rejuvenation is really the most effective. At that point, your shingle has experienced enough thermal shock, that rapid expansion and contraction, that it's lost its flexibility, it's losing its life. So let's rejuvenate it. And let's kick that can down the road a little bit. And in the world with 2% deductibles, 3% deductibles, ACV only policies, man, these roof replacements are getting to be very, very expensive. So rejuvenation might be the answer for you. Well, why don't you call us out? We'll start with an inspection, and in good faith, we'll guide you. We'll tell you which way is your best option. So give us a call today. Good Faith Roofing, where good faith is more than just our name.